welcome back to Pabbly. Come, let's see how we can create this automation. So to create this automation, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for the application using which we are collecting the lead details. So I'm just going to search for Google Ads and select it. You can select any another platform using which you are collecting the lead details, be it Typeform, be it Google Forms if you're using Forms to collect the lead details. Otherwise, you can also use Meta Ads. Pabbly supports most of the form builder applications and also applications using which you can collect your leads. Now for the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. We have received this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and open your Google Ads campaign. And in this campaign, you're going to see that I have added a lead form where I'm collecting the details like the full name, email, phone and company name. Now I'm going to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm going to scroll and go towards this lead delivery option. Over here, it is asking me for the webhook URL. So I'm going to paste the webhook URL right over here. After pasting this webhook URL, it is asking me for the key. So let's enter the key 2. Now after entering both of these details, what we have to do is we have to click on this send test data. Once we click on this send test data, Pabbly is going to capture this webhook response. And as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured this webhook response, which is the proof of the successful connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect. And now you're going to see that we have successfully received the details, be it the company name, the phone number, the email address or the full name. And these details are test details. So if you wish, you can definitely move in further and create this automation using the test details only, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real lead details too. But if you wish, you can click on this recapture webhook response and wait for a few minutes till you receive a real lead to create this automation. Alright, but I'll suggest you can also use test details. So don't waste time and create this automation with me only. Now click on this add new action step. For the action application, select Discord. So let's search for Discord and select it. For the event, you have to select send channel message markdown and click on this connect. Now it is asking me for the webhook URL. So open your Discord and go towards this server name, then towards the server settings. After you come on the server settings, from the left end of the side, go towards this integrations and then webhooks. So you have to add a new webhook. Click on this new webhook, but I'm going to edit one of these webhooks. So let's say I'm going to edit this webhook, which is new lead. I'm going to enter the name as new lead. I'm going to select the channel in which I want to send the message. So this is the channel in which I want to send the message, and I'm going to copy this webhook URL and click on this save changes. If you wish, you can go towards this new webhook and create your new webhook. So yes, you can see once we receive the webhook URL, we have to paste the webhook URL. Now it is asking me for the message. So I'm just going to enter the message which I want to send on my Discord channel. So the message will be something like this. Alright, so I'm going to enter this same message over here. But in this message, I am going to simply edit the lead details. Alright, so first of all, I'm just going to delete the pre-filled details over here. And as you can see that now one by one, I'm going to enter the lead details, but we are not going to enter the lead details manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one, I'm going to map all of these details, but you have to keep in mind that you only map this string value. So as you can see that I've successfully mapped all of these details. Now it is asking me for the bot name and the bot icon. So if you wish to add a bot, you can definitely add both of this, but this is not required. So I'm going to leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Now after entering all of these details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. Once we click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent a channel message So let's open our channel over here, and as you're going to see that we have successfully sent the channel message. You're going to see over is the first name, last name, the email, the phone number, and the company name. And we have notified our team on Discord about the new lead received. And yes, with this we have successfully completed this workflow. Now whenever we need to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically my team on Discord will be notified that we have received a new lead. And not only for Google Ads, you can create this automation for any platform you are collecting the lead details from. You just need Pabbly Connect. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow URL in the description box below. You can check out my workflow and create this for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.